A secret doctrine states the following. The devil is now called darkness by the church, whereas in the Bible he is called the Son of God, see Job. The bright star of the early morning, Lucifer, see Isaiah. There is a whole dogmatic craft in the reason why the first archangel who sprang from the depths of chaos was called Lux, Lucifer, the luminous sun of the morning, or Manvantaric dawn. He was transformed by the church into Lucifer or Satan, because he is higher and older than Jehovah, and had to be sacrificed to the new dogma. In the Quran, Satan begs for respite from God. So God grants Satan respite until the end of time or day of resurrection. There are a number of instances in the Quran where Satan misleads people and the people get mad and blame Satan, rather than take responsibility for their actions. To this Satan replies, "Maybe I whispered something in your ear, but you're the one who did it." Satan also professes his belief in God a number of times in the Quran. This indicates that Satan is God's means of testing humanity, for God actually allows Satan to do what he does for a specific reason, to the point of ruling the world. The Quran says when we hear a whisper from the devil, it is simply a cue to remember our higher self. We also find Satan in the knowledge book. Here, the devil signifies the integration of the opposites in the world of duality. From this perspective, we see that in the historical cycle, Satan performs an important function of helping to raise human consciousness. By playing the role of tempter, Satan offers humanity the impetus to live its mind to a higher level and cultivate the will to good. The human will was created weak during the historical cycle for the purpose of learning, growing, and strengthening. During the historical cycle, humans needed church and religious forces to objectify and personify Satan. This served as gauge or measure to lift higher. In reality, organized religion is just a prop that relies on intermediaries to access the creative force. This prop naturally fades out as the next stage of universal reality ushers in. Consider the following poem, God's Labor by Sri Aurobindo. My gaping wounds are 1,001, and the Titan kings assail, but I cannot rest till my task is done, and wrought the eternal will. A voice cried, Go where none have gone, dig deeper, deeper yet, till thou reach the grim foundation stone, and knock at the keyless gate. I saw that falsehood was planted deep at the very root of things, where the grey sphinx guards God-riddled sleep on the dragon's outspread wings. I left the surface God's mind, and life's unsatisfied seas, and plunged through the body's alleys blind to nether mysteries. I have delved through the dumb earth's dreadful heart, and heard her black mass bell. I have seen the source whence her agonies part, and the inner reason of hell.